Normally when we take photos of rooms, we use a big DSLR like this, but I'm going to show you how to use your cell phone. First thing you want to do when you're taking photos of an interior space at all is turn off the lights. Natural light is going to be a much better option for you, and it's going to give a truer color and a more realness to the photograph. Next thing is to make sure you get your verticals straight. A dead giveaway for any amateur when posting a photograph, even from a cell phone, is that the vertical lines are not straight. For me, I find the easiest way to do this is to go into the settings and turn on your grid and then line those verticals up the best you can. Lock your focus and set your exposure. You can do this simply by holding your thumb down on the screen and then sliding up and down. I found that underexposing a photo slightly is going to be better because it's much easier to bring the shadow detail back than the highlight information. When you're taking photos of the room, I found that about waist height is going to be the best height to take a photo at because it's going to make the room look a little bit larger and a little bit more appealing. Last thing, zoom with your feet. It might be tempting to pinch and zoom in on the screen to zoom in a little bit, but you're actually just degrading the quality a whole lot. So make sure you just walk forward if you want your photo to be more zoomed in.